Been coming here approximately 12 years, and probably the main couple reasons are, one, my livelihood is in sales, so I cannot afford to break down, and I believe in keeping my car's fluids all up to date. Mike, Jason, Jack, and the crew keep me up to date on what needs changed and when, and I can kind of go worry-free with everything. My car's got 275,000 miles on it. I use the Quaker State 5W30 and drive roughly 50,000 miles a year, and I get my oil changed every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. My dipstick looks like it's brand new oil. I brought my daughter's 2007 Jeep in, and they noticed that the undercarriage was rusting, and I took that to a mechanic, and sure enough, I had to get her out of that right away. The whole undercarriage was rusting out and unsafe. I just think it's important to keep your oils and fluids checked. I've preached that to my kids. I've got 2 of them that come here. We're all proud users of Performance Plus.
Performance Plus, we're all about service.